Jose, explain what you're doing to your car, because I'm helping you with your car.
Oh yes, my.
Damn, look at the old one.
Yes, say.
Look at this side though.
What is much
That side
here.
looks fucking
this
pretty.
Side looks nice.
This side is like, oh, what
This
the
is
fuck?
how it came.
Yeah, I know. I
feel
remember
me?
when mine looked like this. When I got mine from my BMW. Yeah, no. You got the exact same one, and I was like, the worst idea ever.
Alex, go line that up on my trunk. See how it looks.
Right? Yeah, let's see. No, it doesn't have the same curves. You know?
It could.
No, it does not. I can't. First of all, shit. If you cut it down a little bit, if you cut it and you have to like heat it up.
Or you know, if you line it up properly, like that.
Yeah?
It's how it is on both sides. It sticks over a little. Yeah, I know.
I wouldn't. But I mean, if you want.
Beautiful. What the fuck?
No, I didn't say towards me at all, whatsoever.
Well,
No, about
you
a
didn't
kiss?
say
I
away
didn't
from you.
specify at all.
Yes, you didn't. Goddamn. It's already hot as fuck.
Oh, it's Florida for you, buddy.
How am I cleaning this? You got alcohol or some shit?
Sure.
Well, what do you use?
I would use Goo Gone, but I don't have any.
Should I go pick some up while you guys do some other shit? Or are we just working on my car right now?
We're just working on yours, one at a time.
Gina, you doing anything in it?
No, I already added my oil.
All right. Damn it, I can't be as vulgar as I want right now. But you know what I want to say.
Yes, I know what you want to fucking say.
You smell that?
They're getting close.
They're getting close.
They're getting fucking close. Because it's like they know. Is he about to fucking take off his rims? His wheels? I need me a pair.
At least he knows what they're called. Now.
You're gonna need one?
You're gonna need some. Babe, go check if there's alcohol.
You can use
inside
soapy
that.
water.
You think so? Yeah, because it.
It doesn't look that bad.
Soapy
I
water.
feel like soapy water would do it.
All right, babe, go ahead, spray it.
On the car?
On the car, it's just soapy water. That's it. Just. You can't be scared of it either.
I'm not.
Car needs to be washed anyway.
Are you sure about more, bro?
Paper towels. Definitely have to get in that bitch.
Yo, get into it. Get into it.
What's up,
Yo.
babe? Move this way.
Yeah, squirt that shit.
That bitch sit for a while. Let that dawn do its job. Let that bitch do its job.
What do we got going here? We got the clip. And we got the slaves going at it.
That's crazy. That's crazy. I gotta cut that.
Fuck.
Damn, son.
You want to do it so bad.
Think that's enough? Yo, get into it. Get into it. Scrub a little dub.
Bro, even if you
Scrub it
scrub, bro, it
up.
doesn't come up. Excuse me. It's not coming off.
Damn it, you fucked with the clip. No, say it's coming off perfectly.
Oh yeah, it's definitely. Look, one swipe and it's gone.
Alright, keep fucking going.
I will fucking spray you, pussy.
Oh, would you?
That's crazy.
Fat ass forehead.
Bro, get out of my face. I'm not gonna lie. Sponsor me, Dunkin' is crazy.
Yo, sponsor me, bro. Yo, it's fucking hotter than the
Sponsor the
fucking
bill.
devil's.
Fuck that. Sponsor the build. What the fuck were you saying?
Gets a Dunkin' wrap.
Gets a Dunkin' wrap on the inside. With I get a Charlie drink every time I go to.
I'd get orange brakes. Put orange brakes on that
There
shit.
you go.
Orange and pink brakes.
What?
God damn.
That would be kind of fire.
It would be. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I feel like this is. Sorry, I couldn't even say it with a straight face.
One swipe, it's gone.
All right, let me get in that bitch. Let me put some cocaine in it.
Maybe that's what it needs. Some Copeland.
Something.
Did you tell him how I pronounce his last name?
Copeland.
I said Copland.
Copland. That's what it is.
Copland? Ew,
Copland is
that's
crazy.
so white.
So when y'all added me to the call or whatever, it said I got a missed call from something Copland.
Mercedes Copland?
Yeah, some
Oh,
shit.
my mom. Bro, I don't know why that pops up. That's so annoying.
Mine comes up as Cervantes Gonzalez too, but it's my phone and it's
Mine
my
comes
line.
up as my name.
Antonio Carde. Really?
Yo, why you throwing my government?
You'll be fine. It's okay, Chino. We love you.
That's crazy.
Oh man. Damn.
Hey, I have the other one.
Yo, I should have brought my bike, bro.
Brought your bike for what? We're not riding shit today. It's rain. It's gonna rain, dude.
Okay, you know what?
What?
El actitud, tíralo.
Fuck you.
Throw it in the air.
¿Pa qué? ¿Pa qué?
Hake is crazy.
Pecky.
Hecky.
Dale.
Say bye. Say bye.
Vai se
Vai.
fuder.
Vai se fuder.
There you go. Você vai se fuder, porra.
Você é gostosa para caralho.
Você é gostoso pra caralho.
Você
Damn, I got bit.
vai se fuder, porra.
Vai se fuder, porra.
There you go.
What else you know?
That means go fuck
What
yourself,
else you
bitch.
know? What did we say? What did we say?
Relaxa.
Relaxa, neguinho.
That's crazy.
He even knows how to say it in Portuguese.
That's crazy. Yeah. Oh man. Oh man.
You gotta be help. Cause I'm not gonna help. Go, let's go.
Yeah, so we have one shot at this. Let's try not to fuck this up, right?
Hold on. I'm feeling.
Dude, I don't got time for you to feel nothing. Come on, bro. I kind of want to see this dumbass motherfucker.
Oh. Okay,
Line it
okay,
up on
okay.
that corner.
It's gonna be like, what's the spacing on it? We should have presented it beforehand.
I know I should have low-key fucked up.
You wanna put the?
Can't put the tape back on. Kind of. Eight. Yeah, baby, gotta film sideways.
You said it was like this.
Yes, sideways. Sorry.
What's your spacing at, bro? Cause
Don't put it down. Do not put it down. All I'm saying is don't put it down.
here, you position it. I'm holding it real quick.
I'm just trying to get it.
Cause I have a lot of like space over here.
Well, this would be my corner right here, and it would hang over. How does yours look over there? Would yours hang over? No? Okay, so we gotta move. How's that?
I have about half a finger.
Okay, well, mine's pretty good.
What do you got over there? Hey, Gino, come here real quick.
Hold that corner over there, VJ. Yeah, you, Gino.
You know what you should do? You should lift it up and align it how you want it to sit.
Well, the thing is, we want it to be even.
I got this. I got this over there.
Okay, well, we want it to
Is
be
that lined up there? 'Cause it lined up pretty good over here.
I think it looks pretty good over here.
Let me see. Yeah, no, that lined up pretty good. Alita, you wanna see it?
No. I'm gonna take your word for it. This isn't my car. You're the one that should be looking.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's lined up.
All right.
Let me see the tip. Gino, that's what she said. Yeah, that's lined up, bro.
All right. Drop her down.
It looks pretty good.
It looks fucking amazing. Everybody put some presión.
Yo, sticky parts on the inside right here.
Yeah. Stay closer to the edge. Don't be putting too much. Fuck around and crack the whole spoiler right now.
Okay, I'm not that fucking fat.
I'm
let
not
me do
saying
it.
that. Oh, it is carbon. It'll hold, right?
This
Just
carbon's
like our
not-
justice
This
system.
carbon's not as strong.
Yes, it is.
Not better than fucking woven fucking carbon fiber.
Yes, it is. Say it. Say it right now. Say it.
The price was as strong.
I think it looks
You know how you
fucking
actually
good.
test it out?
How?
You hit $180 on fucking Sawgrass.
$180 is crazy.
I don't think I could get there yet, bro.
This man right. He want pink calipers on a navy blue car. All right, we're gonna do what we can do. Jesus.
Babe, I want mine done.
Jesus Christ. Yes, you have gloves on. Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Too close to it. Ow. We're gonna let that shit dry. I think it looks pretty good, not that bad. My first time painting calipers.
Yeah.
I ain't
it's
never
not-
did this shit, but
It's.
you know, we gotta get the boys right.
I'm just trying to be.
You got me out here doing some dumb shit. Oh, God. All right, guys. Well, I don't think I did that bad of a job. They came out pretty clean. But this is my favorite part. And I know you guys haven't seen my car, so I guess a lot of parts to go on this for sure. I want to do KBD. We need new wheels, and we gotta fix that. It's gonna be fun. Y'all stay tuned for sure.
I'm on a whole nother